Hi everyone, so today I would like to show you how I actually draw a fantastic Mr. Fox latte art that I created in 2019. You really need to make sure that you handle it out, okay? And I want you to hold the cup like this, okay? You're gonna use a thumb and then the index finger, that's it. And really make sure that you must have the space here. Now you're gonna first draw body. Now you're gonna slightly tilt, draw the leg. And the fur at the chest. The handle like that. We're gonna tilt here all the way. Now you're gonna draw the head. For the ear, you're gonna draw a triangle on the right side first and then draw back on the left as a triangle as well. Draw a C for the cheeks and a U for the eyes and go straight for the nose.